Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, today I'm going to do Bangkok haul again. So baat karte karte haul karte hai. So this is the first product. I got it for myself. It's so cute. I don't usually wear this kind of top, but ये बहुत ही काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यारी है, इसीलिए मैंने ले लिया. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this, but let me try new things. So top is this green t-shirt, but the color is very different in the camera and in person. Like with my naked eye it's very different color, and the camera is different, but it's a like forest green, I guess. Like it's very pretty. And yes, and I'll keep a video of this trying on me, on myself, so you can see how it fits, and so you can purchase it later by your own. And the second thing I've purchased is this pant. Can you see? I'm not that like good at doing this video thing, but this is how I can show you. I'll wear it, you can see it on the screen how it looks on me. So this is how it is, and it was also in cheap price, so I got this one as well for myself. And I didn't wanted to upload any vlogs, like haul vlogs, because my family gonna watch it and they're gonna judge me again that I'm buying again. But I'm a girl, so every month I need a new cloth in my closet. Not like I'm earning now, that's why. Otherwise I won't waste my parents' money, okay? And third thing, I got this night suit. This one is expensive, but it's worth it. It's so good. This is the top, and here's how it looks on me. This is the top. It was 100 Taiwan, so it's cheap and it's so cute. This is the pant. Right now I have only one more because two of them has torn. Like it's all gone because I got it from Sarojini market, that's why it was a cheap quality. But right now I got like 4 pairs, so I got it. And this one I got it in yellow, and it's so cute. See? This one is my favorite. It's like the color in the camera, it's not giving. Like in my naked eye is like it's so pretty. Like it's really pretty. This is the pant. And yes, this is all the clothes I bought because मुझे और ज़्यादा नहीं खरीदना था, because my sister gonna kill me like with words कि कितना सामान लेगा. And this is the bandana I got. Can you see the ladybug here? I forgot the name for a while. It's so cute. And I'm obsessed with bandana right now because I don't know, I'm just obsessed. Some jewelries I got it was this sunglass. I uploaded on my Instagram story because can you see how it look good on me? I'm not fan of a sunglass, but this one it's different because it's kind of look like a gentle monsters glasses because it's giving. And this one as well. It looks like Gentle Monsters. It's a dupe, but yeah, it's pretty. See, it's a bow, and can you see it? Here. Yeah. Wow. I'm gonna wear it every day. Feeling like Kim Jenny. Just kidding. It's my favorite. And the second I got this one as well. And it looked good on me. See? Yes, I look like a nerd. But yeah, it's giving. It's so pretty. This is the earring I got. And it looks good on me. Right? And that moment it was like when I was purchasing these earrings, it was like my piece was on 100 Thai baht. So, and the song was coming in my mind. I like it, I got it. I like it, I got it. I like it, and I got it. Yay! Yeah. How pretty it is. I don't know what. Where is the camera? Here. Yeah. See, it's pretty. Let me try it on. It's looking good on me. These earrings, you see? This is also looking good. The lighting is not good. It's not giving, so I hope you don't mind and just enjoy this view. Yeah, this is here. It's like a raindrops. And I thought of doing more piercing, but as I'm working in the company, so they don't allow more than one, so that's why. But this will look good on me. It's nice.
Let me show you some Thai money. Because I'm not doing Thai money, Thai baht. Because I have been for Bangkok again. Because I love Bangkok. Who doesn't love Bangkok? I want to go there again. So, this is 20 Thai baht. It's 100 Thai baht. This is 1000 Thai baht. I can use it. Malaysian ringgit. So colorful. It's also, and this one is also Malaysian ringgit. This is $1.
Got it. Okay. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Even though I don't upload daily, but I hope I'll upload in the future. ज़्यादा upload करूँगी मैं, ठीक है? Lazy नहीं हूँ, okay? I'm trying to not to be lazy, but let's see. And yeah, let me enjoy my